All right, welcome everyone to step 5 today. That's where we're starting from. Got our cab set up. It looks like we're going to get a good bit of the underside structure of the frame built today. B1, 2, 3, and 4. There they are. B1, 2, 3, 4. What's 4 look like? 4 little squarish. There, 4. Okay. All right, let's see. Ooh. 3 and 4. That's all. Yep, this is all we're going to do on step 5. So should be in theory shorter than the last one. But the last one was, it was long for this series, but it wasn't. From one of my videos, it wasn't super long. There, here. I've got some ideas for I've got my other channel that I've sort of let be dormant for a while now. I've got an idea, so I may be starting to put some more videos up on it. So I will mention that when that becomes closer to reality. But I think it's not going to be these type of build videos, so I don't think there's going to be a huge amount of crossover, but it's got stuff that I think is cool. So I'll be. I don't want to give too much away yet. It's a thought in process right now. Let's see here. B1. Yeah, B1, and you go. Okay. Into that notch with that. And that was it. Okay, yeah, you got plenty of clearance on the spring there. Spring there. That's cool. And B2 just goes up from the bottom. It looks like, yeah, got those up and then slide back into, lock into place. All right, yeah. Yeah, this is going to be a big one. And we take, this says to wax inside this thing, but they don't get, they give us a stick of wax that's too big to fit in there. So I'm going to try and see if I can make it do without. Or no, that may be. Okay, that's. This thing actually, inside this thing, I don't even think any of my wax sticks would fit in there. That means where to put the petroleum jelly. I know it's in here. I didn't know this was coming, so I didn't turn on my heated wax. Okay, I can do the petroleum jelly later then. So this one, for right now, just goes in right here. And I will. Yep, I'm hearing that on the bottom. No, I didn't have a blowout on those. It sounded like it was. Okay. this one oriented like that. Goes down into the deep slot here. All right. Yeah, this is going to be a really big train. All right, yeah. And that concludes step 5. That's got, as I really got the shape of the cab in place now. I'm surprised that these pieces didn't tie together some way or some form or fashion. But I think, let's say you can start to see the shape of it now. That's going to be the bottom where the frame goes into what the engine is going to be in this section. Yeah. All right. Well, that's a good spot to stop as any. Thanks for watching, everybody. Like, subscribe, comment, complain, share. Do whatever you want to with all that. Be good to one another. Stay healthy. And I'll see you next time. Bye.